Hi, I'm Alan Chen, and I'm the owner of the Lightning Graphic Gaming Company. And I'm trying to show you a Unity section how to upload a Unity PC video game inside any publisher, such as itch.io uh, and Steamworks Online video games, Steamworks Publishing, or Steam accounts with the Windows version. So go to anything like this on Unity Hub. This is desktop, so it's this file. Just open it. So we so playtest does this work at first place. Then remember to switch it as PC platform, not Android or anything else. And the player settings, it should be okay if you manage to put this as normal, such as this one and this one. So remember to create a new file folder called Mile Race, so you can save all the stuff down there, down here, but not like desktop, but save it down here instead. So save it as Mile Race, select folder, and slowly building it. Yeah, so now it's done. So this thing is down here, which is here. But make sure that when you before you click build you can you can remember you can just right mouse click on this and click new folder from before. You don't have to create folder from down here instead. Right mouse click. But remember, do not really play test that much down here because some variables could be messed up if you try to upload it down here afterwards on Windows. So we remember you have to another thing that I have to remember, you have to zip this folder before launching it down any publishers such as itch.io or Steamworks. So when you upload it, you cannot really click this one only. You have to select the whole folder, which you can't unless you zip folder. So right mouse click on the folder and say send to compressed. And after it was zip compressing it, yeah. So it was save always on desktop location. When you double click this one and click on compress the photo tools, you can always extract all to somewhere else. Maybe I should create a new folder in case you by replace it this thing. So by scratch, you can do new name it as new folder as you like to. Remember to click this one by double clicking it on left mouse and click on this top section and click extract all. Maybe click browse and desktop new folder. This should show you example how to extract folder in the future. Um, so this one should be updated afterwards. Yeah, just click right mouse click refresh. You'll see it's updated. So this thing will be not zip folder as more protection error free from this one that doesn't have the icon properly. But for now, you're supposed to upload this folder instead, this zip folder only. So you click upload, my erase. Uh, yeah, you can double click this. So remember zip folder. That's what you have to do it for. Maybe wait until it finishes. After is save and view page. So remember, this is called publishing it properly from Unity PC video games. So remember, the zip folder is the most important thing you're supposed to do. It's also called exporting. I already showed you how to export it from before. So I'm going to save it just in case what happens. And before I just name it as 25 as my own backup files that I have 25 of them. You can delete if you just dislike to it because I already the main folders that I need to have is this and this and this. But this is an extra to show you how to extract folder as well, but it's nothing much related to publishing it. So I think I'm almost done my YouTube video, but I have to save and publish and maybe show you how it looks like afterwards from my own download file instead. So hopefully it works. So I'm gonna click this one and click save and view page. So maybe click download now. You don't have to pay for this with my video game. Click download zip folder and show folder and inside my download section. Like here, download. Yeah. Maybe just wait until 1 more minute, I guess. Well, okay, I think it's okay with this. I can exit this one. So maybe 2 minutes. Well, wait until it's finished downloading it. And test it afterwards by extracting it from. Well, actually, yeah, it's supposed to extract it if you want to. Actually, you don't have to. No, you have to extract it since I give you my zip folder application stuff. I'm just double checking. I'm waiting. It should be done now. So since it was extract folder, so I had to do what? Oh, this one extract all, I guess. Yeah, mile race. Yeah, that's another way of doing right mouse and extract all. But on desktop, it seems a bit different. Oh, it is. Yeah. Oh, well, it still works, I guess. Uh, so before I extract it down to here, now here, and So click this one, click more offer, run. So maybe full screen afterwards. Yeah, already this is perfectly fit. You can click this one as well, but just click this one. Yeah, so everything's working. Yeah, so this is how it works. So I think I finished my YouTube tutorial on this section about how to export and publish my own video game inside of my publishing the Unity PC video game and stuff like those. So how to export and publish your own Unity PC game. Yeah, so thank you.